I'm back with a full tutorial for my boho Christmas wall decor. I found these felt cutouts at the dollar store in neutral colors and knew they would look fantastic with a piece of driftwood. If your local store doesn't carry the same cutouts, you can buy felt in any color and create your own holiday shapes. I used my vintage awl tool to create holes in each one of the shapes because I will be stringing them together. I found this perfect piece of wood that I didn't have to do anything to. It's all natural, yet it looks like it has a wash of white paint. I measured and marked where I wanted my hooks to go and then used 2 screw eyes. You know, I'll never forget the name of this product because it always reminds me of the look my neighbors give me after I've used the sander for an hour. Moving on. I bought regular key rings to feed through the holes and link the snowflakes and the stars together, and then attach them to the screw eyes. You're totally imagining my neighbor right now, aren't you? Then I drilled 2 small holes on the top to add my last 2 hooks. Depending on your piece of driftwood, it can sometimes be very dry and brittle, so it's always best to drill holes first so you don't split the wood. And for the last step, I added this gray ribbon to attach it to the wall, but twine would also look great. Here's a little trick to make any knot look better. Make your knots first and then use the remaining ribbon to wrap around it twice, and then put a little dab of glue on the back so it looks nice and sleek. And that's it, a really easy boho-inspired project that will be a great addition to your minimalist or neutral decor. Follow me for more craft and DIY inspiration.